and it's definitely because my makeup is done. Because when my makeup wasn't done, girl, no, this color, it wasn't working.
She just wanna have a good time. Good time, good time, good time. Good time, good time.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yemi Ajiana if you're new here, and today's video is going to be about how I got the color to this wig. Okay, so I'm giving very much red, burgundy, fall, October, autumn vibes, and super easy to get this hair color. 5-10 minutes tops. Okay, so if you're ready to see how I got it, then girl, let's get into this video. Okay, so in order to achieve today's hair color, I did the watercolor method. You're gonna see the colors that I used in the video. I cannot remember them off the top of my head, but it was like wild cherry and something auburn, I don't know, I can't remember, but you're gonna see in the video. But I did do the watercolor method. That's where you get a bucket of water and then you just pour the color in there, and then you just dunk the wig. Okay, you just dunk the wig, and it's that easy, I promise you. 5-10 minutes top. If you never colored hair before, this is going to be the easiest thing for you to do, and you don't have to worry about it because it did not stain the lace at all. You're just going to spray a little bit of got-to-be glue on your lace and then let that dry, and I promise you, girl, your lace will not get stained. Now, today's sponsor for this video is Alipearl Hair. So I got 3 12-inch bundles and I got a 14-inch frontal. I didn't use all of the hair. I actually only used 2 bundles, and I still have a bundle left. So it's pretty thick. I mean, for a bob, you don't want it to be too thick. So it looks pretty good. Like I said, I still have the bundle left. And as far as 613, oh, this did come in 613 hair. So this isn't black hair, this is 613 hair. Now as far as 613 hair, y'all know that they be having shedding issues, but I mean, I just have like the regular shedding, nothing too crazy, so nothing really to complain about. Yeah, all 613 hair sheds, but this isn't shedding like tremendously. So yeah, this is just so cute. Like, I'm not gonna lie, when I first did this bob in this color, it was not cute, and I think because my makeup wasn't done. But once I put my face on in a little outfit, I think I'm giving vibes. Okay, I think I'm giving vibes. I don't really, you know, tell me what you think. So getting straight into this video, I will be using the Adore hair color in Rich Amber number 78. What you're gonna need are a pair of gloves. You're going to need a spoon, whisk, whatever you want to use to stir up the hair color. You're going to need some got-to-be glued free spray. And this is why you're going to need the free spray. You're going to go ahead and flip your wig inside out, and you want to spray the lace. You want to make sure you put a nice layer on there. Don't be nervous. Be generous. Spray that lace. And you're going to spray the lace so that it does not get stained when you watercolor it. Now you're going to take I mixed cool water with hot water just because I didn't want to melt my bucket. So as you can see right here, this is the steaming hot water. You're just going to go ahead and pour it into the bucket. And now we're going to get right into adding the color, girl. I would say add the color slowly. Don't just pour it all in there right away. Just add the color, stir it up, and then add more color, stir it up, and just keep going until you get the color that you are wanting. So you're just going to keep stirring, girl. Just keep stirring. You want to make sure you don't have any clumps, lumps, or like little pieces of hair color. You want to make sure it's nice and liquidy. Now that you have the hair color in, you want to make sure you test it out first. Don't just go dumping your wig in there. Take a small strand and test it out to make sure it is the color that you want. Like I said, don't just go dumping the full wig in there. But when you get the color you want, then go ahead and dump. So as you can see right now, I'm just taking the full thing and we're just putting it in there. Just go ahead, swish it around. And don't be afraid of staining your lace, because that's why you sprayed the got-to-be glued in there. You can go ahead and just dump the full wig in there. And this water was hot, y'all. It was burning my hands. So if you see me taking a quick break, it's because my hands was on fire. This water was so hot. I don't think you need steaming hot water. I think you could do like warm to hot. But this water was hot as hell. Now this isn't the color that I had wanted, so it looks like real pastel-y. So this ain't the color I wanted. You can see right here I'm kind of like swishing it around, taking it out, trying to check on it, taking a break, thinking. And at first I only dumped one bottle of color in there, but I'm about to go ahead and get the other bottle, and we're just going to dump it in there because I needed something more vibrant, more rich. And this just was not giving it to me. As you can see, look, I'm looking around like, this ain't going to work. This is not going to work. See, this is the second bottle of color. I'm going to just pour that whole thing in there because I already know. Pour the whole thing in there, and then we're going to stir it around some more. Like I said, you don't want any clumps or lumps. Just stir that color around, girl. And as you can see, I have a towel down on my surface because you can't be afraid of making a mess with this. And we're gonna put the rest of that hair color in there. Dump in the wig. And this looks a little more like I wanted it. It was definitely more vibrant and darker. Not necessarily darker, but just more rich in color. Go ahead, dump, saturate. And after I finished all this, I let it soak in the water for like 5-10 minutes. I didn't take it out right away. You're gonna open it up, look for any spots. Don't be afraid, girl. Make sure everything is wet and dyed. And although I used one color in this clip, I did go back and add like a wild cherry red. So in the final product, that's why you see the hair looks a little brighter, and it does have 2 tones in it because yeah, girl, I just wanted something with more dimension. So I added another color, but I did not record it, so don't hate me. But yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I tried to be as detailed as possible, so I will leave all my information down below, as well as the information for this hair. And I do have a discount code as well, so I'm going to leave all that down below. So just go ahead and check the description box. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more hair coloring videos or more videos about hair in general, make sure you like. All right, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.